Hello, my name is Nora Shikimin Tamidun and my metric number is S47281. As you all know, our country is plagued with a very dangerous disease called COVID-19. This disease is caused by the new coronavirus that emerged in Wuhan, China in December 2019. This new coronavirus is spread through droplets released into the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The droplets generally do not travel more than a few feet and they fall onto surface in a few seconds.
Focus family assay were performed to quantify the coronavirus present, which is indicated by the number of brownish foci formation in the well plate. Let's start with the cells. The monolayers of the cells will be grown in 24 well plate and carboxyl methicellulose or CMC will be prepared prior to FFA. Perform tenfold serodilution of coronavirus in 2% MEM media. Then add 100 microliter of coronavirus into the well to infect the cell and incubate for 1 hour. Add 1 ml of 2 times MEM with CMC gently into the well and incubate for 4 days. After 4 days incubation, remove the supernatant carefully and wash with PBS to ensure all the CMC were removed completely. Then 200 microliter of 5% paraformaldehyde will be added to fix the cells and incubate for 30 minutes. Then the supernatant will be removed and washed with PBS. Add 200 microliter of 0.1% treated eggs, or you can use IgPal, to the well and incubate for 15 minutes.
Okay, my name is Nurul Fatihusna binti Ahmad Sazali, and I will continue for the focus forming assay method. We have to prepare 15 milliliter of 3% of skim milk, and you can see here how to prepare the skim milk, and add 300 microliter of prepared skim milk in each well and incubate in room temperature for 1 hour. It is to block non-specific region. Okay, then we have to remove supernatant and wash with 1 times PBS for 3 times or thrice. And then prepare primary antibody. This is how to prepare the antibody. And add 200 microliter of primary antibody into each well and incubate in 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour 30 minutes. After that, I have to remove supernatant and wash again with 1 time PBS thrice or 3 times. Then prepare secondary antibody. This is how to prepare the secondary antibody, and add 2 microliter into each well and incubate 37 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. After that, we remove supernatant and wash again with 1 times PBS thrice. We have to develop reaction with DAB substrate in dark room. Prepare 2.25 microliter stable peroxide DAB substrate and 250 microliter DAB. After that, add 200 microliter in each well. Leave at room temperature for 3 to 5 minutes until purple color changes to brown. And then rinse with distilled water, and leave upside down on tissue paper for air drying.
Hello there, my name is Nurhidayati Shamimi binti Sarkodizan, S46484. A little bit on focus forming assay. Focus forming assay is a variation of blood assay which is used for virus quantification. Virus quantification is the counting of number of viruses in a specific volume to determine its concentration. In focus forming assay, the unit used is focus forming unit over milliliter or FFU over ml. Virus quantification is vital in clone screening, production of vaccines, recombinant proteins, and viral antigens. In the method we chose to perform our focus forming assay, antigen-specific primary antibody is added into viral antigen and incubated. Then, secondary antibody is then added and incubated for 1 hour at 37 degrees Celsius. 3,3-diaminobenzidine or DAB substrates of horseradish peroxidase (HRP), a common label conjugated for antibodies, is then added to develop the reaction in a dark conditioned room where brown precipitate will localizes to the HRP-bound antibodies.
As for the advantages of this assay, actually this assay is a very straightforward assay because the methods and the principle that apply in this assay actually is very simple and easy to understand. Second, I want to say that this assay also have a high sensitivity. As mentioned before, we use the antibody in order to quantify the virus. And we know that the antibody have a very specific and sensitive reaction toward its target. So that's why I'm saying that it have a high sensitivity. Third, this assay also effectively because it doesn't require any high technology machinery and equipment. So let's move to the limitation. So as for the limitation of the assay, first, this assay takes long time duration because it may take 4 days and above in order to complete the foci formation and to get the results as well. Second, this assay also requires high human labor use. As I mentioned before, this assay doesn't require high technology machinery. So most of the protocol and the method, we need to do it manually. Third, this assay also cannot determine the virus cycle duration. What I'm trying to say here, this assay actually limited to the virus quantification and virus detection only.